Hi Fire Signs, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong daily gabay for February 15, 2024. This is a general reading. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay and pa-follow like na rin na ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan Mr. Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. Okay. Let's see fire signs. What's up, Feb 14? The heart of the matter, there is more going on than meets the eye. Ayan. So, maaring mas lalo nyong aalamin yung punot dulo, no, ng mga bagay-bagay na nangyayari sa inyo ngayon. Dahil maaring meron kayong hindi nakikita, no? Pwedeng nasa surface lang na, ito mukhang okay naman, or ito mukhang puro problema. Pero deep within that, no, there is more na kailangan mo pang malaman or matuklasan. Okay? So, some of you, maaring meron kayong kikilalanin na tao na mas malalim pa, no? Or meron kayong pag-aaralan na mas malalim pa. Or mas lalo nyong palalawigin ang inyong kaalaman sa pamamagitan ng pag-aaral, no? Pag-research pa. Knowing, learning, being more open to other options, or being open-minded. Let's see. You also have miracles and blessings. Everything has its gift. So, for some of you, maaring meron kayong matatanggap ngayon na blessing or something na masasabi nyo na parang it's a miracle, no? That is going to happen in your life. You also have be supportive. Make a genuine effort to show you care. So, some of you, meron kayong mga actions na gagawin for others, no, para ipakita sa kanila na you really care about them, or maaring merong person na sa buhay mo na mas magpapakita ng kanilang suporta sa mga ginagawa mo. Yes, whatever this is. Kung ano man tong iyong mga proyekto, plano, so importante na merong nakasuporta rin sa'yo. Okay, let's see your overall energy. You have the Star. Look at that. You have the Star, the Six of Pentacles. Yes, speaking of support talaga, someone is willing to support you sa iyong mga pangarap. Whether this is financially, pwede rin sa effort, sa resources. You have the Queen of Cups. You are tapping into your creativity. I think you are, mas nagmamanifest ka ngayon, no, sa mga bagay na gusto mong ma-achieve. With the Star card, this is also about healing. You are healing from your past. You are healing from mga painful situation na encounter mo. Pwede rin tong physical pain. Some of you, merong tutulong sa inyo financially pagdating sa mga kailangan yung bayaran, or kailangan yung bigyan ng solusyon in terms of problema sa pera. And with the Queen of Cups, I see you na becoming more connected to your instinct, no? Sa feelings mo. Mas magiging sensitive ka sa nararamdaman mo, and you will be more expressive. So, sa money, career, finances, we have the Death card. Uy, new beginning. Bagong career, bagong trabaho. Yung iba sa inyo, nag-resign, tapos meron kayong bagong opportunity. Yung iba sa inyo nag-aaral, nasa training, starting new opportunities. And then you have the Three of Cups. Meron talagang friends, no, na very supportive sa mga decision mo. And I see you connecting more to people, mas magiging outgoing, mas mag-socialize ka ngayon. And I think yun ay makakatulong rin sa'yo sa pagpapaunlad mo ng iyong career, ng business mo, ng kabuhayan mo. Kasi syempre, no, sabi nga, your network is your net worth. So with the Death card here, you are you are starting something new again, no? Oo, and ito ay pwedeng hindi ka pa ganun ka-familiar about this. This can be a new job, a new career, pero willing ka na pag-aralan ito, and you are also welcoming new friends. Ayan, new friends, new colleagues. Let's see what else for fire signs. Amusement. So, yung iba sa inyo, pumasok kayo sa entertainment industry or anything about content creation. Ayan, may upgrade talaga kayo. So, kung ano man yung pinanggalingan yung career, business, trabaho, itong bago nyong pinapasok ay talagang masasabing upgrade, pag-angat, pag-unlad, paglago. Okay? You are becoming your own boss. Yung iba, self-employed na. Yung iba, kayo ay may sariling business. Or mas hawak nyo yung oras nyo ngayon. Sa love life naman, let's see. You have the Hanged Man, the Ace of Pentacles, and the Seven of Wands. Okay. You are starting all over again. Maaring napagtanto mo na the person that you are connecting with ay hindi aligned sa mga goals mo, sa mga pangarap mo. Pwedeng itong person na to hindi siya ganun ka-supportive sa'yo. And now, gusto mo ng tao na masasabi mong makakaramay mo sa mga plano mo sa buhay, no? Someone who is very supportive. So, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng hindi pa naman totally natatapos yung relationship nyo. Nandun kayo sa point na medyo on the rocks, no? Maaring nire-reassess mo yung relationship mo ngayon, kung ito ba talaga yung gusto mong sitwasyon moving forward, siya ba talaga yung person for you. Kasi parang ngayon you are setting boundaries, hindi mo na hinahayaan na magsettle sa anything less than what you deserve. I see that you are starting a new life, no? Yung iba sa inyo, maaring part nung pagsisimula ninyo ng bagong career, bagong trabaho, bagong negosyo is dahil sa mga na-realize mo sa relationship mo. Yung iba kasi, di ba, pag nagkakaroon ng separation, breakup, problema sa relationship, lumilipat ng trabaho, ng career, ganon, para makaiwas. May nagsustalk sa'yo. Baka friend mo. Pwedeng itong friend mo na to ay may interest sa'yo, lalo na kung ikaw ay just recently nakipaghiwalay sa person mo and meron kang friend na interesado sa'yo. So, maaring inaalam niya kung ikaw ba talagang sure na dito sa person na to na iwanan or to walk out or to walk away from the relationship. But I see you spending more time with your friends. Okay? Mas ka ngayon, open sa new connections, acquaintances, having a good time. Okay? So that is your reading, fire signs. Thank you so much. Bye!